Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Llama 4 online for free. Now you need to know that there are two main methods. The first method is to simply go and open your browser and search here for Llama 4 like this, and here you'll get this option right here, Llama. You'll have to click on it. Then after that, click on Try Llama on the top right side right here. And now you'll have to log in using your Facebook or Instagram. And after logging in, now you can use Llama 4 easily. This is the first method. So now I will ask it any question. How many countries in Europe, for example? It is based on Llama 4, this AI right here. Okay, it answered very quickly. And the second method is to simply search here for Hugging Face Llama 4 like this. And here you will get this option. Then you can choose any one of these options right here. And you just have to sign up using your email and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.